U.S. President Barack Obama is coming to town, and the Nairobi city government wants to give him a good impression of its city. And to do so, they plan on removing street children out of the city center. The White House confirmed that Obama will be visiting for the Global Entrepreneurship Summit on July 24th. The Kenyan capital, Nairobi, has been cleaning up its roads in a bid, it says, to improve security and attract investors. Most of the children to be removed from the streets don't even live where the event will be held. But it doesn't matter. The government wants them out of sight. Some of the children are believed to be engaged in petty theft and drug abuse.
Kasoma class 1 mpaka 8. Sasa kufika hapo wenyewe kakuwa ni trouble. Ndio maparo. Ndio wazazi na cheki. Kosa maparo. Unajua mimi sijalelewa na buda yangu, nilikuwa naishi na madhangu. Sasa madhangu alikuwa nayo dojo, bado madhangu alikuwa ni hasela.
According to a 2012 UNICEF report, Kenya has about 250 to 300,000 homeless children, and a majority are in Nairobi. But many of these children still have hope for the future.
Naweza soma kabisa, naweza maliza. Bora kwa nipate chance. Nifanye music yangu naweza endelea.
But the hopes and dreams of these children won't matter for the government, at least while Obama's in town.